This is the general operation and accessories of the 650 MDS and YSI 6820 models. The first model we're going to talk about is the 650 MDS. It's a handheld unit. The handheld unit will connect to different YSI products. And what this handheld unit does, it will operate different YSI sondes. And also you can record data and use this data and then record your data and then later connect this handheld unit to a computer and download this data to your PC and make out your different reports and forms. Now the 650 MDS is used to operate the YSI 6820 series sonde. This sonde includes several probes, and your options that you receive from our rental unit would be these different probes. And our different probes we have on here is the first probe, the biggest probe here. This is our turbidity probe. Then our next probe is our dissolved oxygen probe. Then our next probe here, this probe here is the conductivity probe. And then the last probe would be our pH ORP probe. As you can see, there are expansion slots for more probes if needed. These probes are not provided with a rental, but you can purchase these probes from YSI and install them and calibrate them yourselves. One of the accessories shipped with the unit would be our calibration slash storage beaker. And then some of the accessories shipped with our 6820 series is, of course, the sonde itself. There's a protective cover on the end. And then our next would be a field to PC power cable. And then a 8-foot cable is supplied with the unit to connect between the unit and our handheld. And we do have different lengths of cable for additional rental, 50-foot cables and 100-foot cables. Also is our calibration storage cup. Next is the probe guard. And then our next accessory would be all of our different calibration solutions. We have 100 NTU for our turbidity calibration and a rinse solution, our conductivity standard solution, and then we have our pH buffers, pH 4, 7, and 10. And there is a reconditioning kit included with this unit. And in that kit would be your syringe, lubricant, brush, two different sizes of O-rings, small ones and large ones. And then another kit would be your dissolved oxygen probe service kit. And inside that kit you will receive membranes and dissolved oxygen solution. Also included is our power supply. And of course everything will be in a Pelican carrying case, your user manual, software. And as I mentioned earlier, we have different cable length options, 25, 50, and 100 feet. Those are the accessories for the 6820. The 650 MDS is its own rental item, and included in that is the unit itself, the interface cable to go between the 650 MDS and your computer, the user's manual, and then of course your Pelican carrying case. And that's the end of our accessory and general function session.